everybody, I'm Lacey with the SII store here at Stitch It International. And today, I'm going to be showing you why Mighty hoops are truly the best on the market. Whenever you purchase your embroidery machine, you're going to be receiving standard tubular hoops similar to this one. These will have an adjustable tension bolt in them, and this is where it can get kind of time consuming. You will have to readjust this in between every time you hoop a garment. It can kind of slow you down, and also if you get it too tight, it can scar your material, and if you get it too loose, it can pop apart once you get it onto your machine. Right here, I have a piece of velvet. This is considered a delicate, and the Mighty hoop also makes these hoops for this type of material, whereas your standard hoops can damage it, and I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. So you're just going to put this down, you would lay your backing on it, put this over, and then there you have a hooped piece of velvet. When I pull this apart, there is no damage to this particular material. Now I'm also going to be showing you with a standard hoop, a lot of the times what happens, again, these have the adjustable tension bolts. I can already tell that I'm going to need to tighten that quite a bit. We're going to put that under. And actually, it's not tight enough. So again, this is where the time-consuming part comes in. I have to remove this. I have to tighten this back up. We're going to try it again. Now it's in there and it's really secure. It's not going to pop apart. But then we are left with a little bit of hoop burn, if you can see that circle right there. A lot of the times it will remove pieces of your fabric and you can't really rub that out. Another issue that we run into is with backpacks. These can be very slick material and it really doesn't want to hold in the standard hoops. The back part of the backpack is very heavy, and once you load it onto the machine, a lot of the times it wants to pop apart. So we're going to be taking a 5.5, put that bottom ring in there, and then it just clicks on. Once you get it onto your machine, it is a very sturdy hold. It's not going anywhere, so it will not pop apart on you. Here we have a lunch bag. This is another one that can really cause some issues. Those standard hoops will not go over zippers. It's almost always impossible. So we're going to be using our 5.5 again. This is my most popular hoop. And as you can tell, it just simply clicked together. Once it gets on your machine, it's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to be doing a Carhartt jacket. These are one of the most difficult materials to embroider. They're very thick, and with your standard tubular hoops, a lot of the times they want to pop apart when you get them on the machine. If you get that bottom ring too tight, it's going to scar this material. So I'm going to be using an 11 by 13 hoop. We offer these in many different sizes. This is just my most popular small jacket bag. And I'm going to show you how easy this is with Carhartt. And really, it's that simple, guys. Please make sure you know your bracket size before ordering. Every machine is different. So if you have any questions, please give us a call or visit our online store.